Welcome to the Cal Corporation's series of videos about software engineering. The topic of this video is enumeration. Before proceeding, make sure that you have already watched these other videos first. Sometimes, you may have a piece of data which could have one of several possible values. An enumeration lets the programmer give his own sensible symbolic names to each of those possible values. Like all C++ data, that data could be stored in an enumeration variable, such as this E2, and that variable is defined using some enumeration type, which the software also needs to have previously defined. Internally, in the machine language result of your compilation, this enumeration will be implemented by the software using a numeric type, like int. You can choose what internal implementation number will be used for each of your symbols, as this example does for its first symbol. If, for some symbol, you don't choose its internal implementation number, then it will use a number that's one more than the preceding symbol, or 0 for the first symbol that has nothing preceding it. Enumerations have a traditional form and a modern form. A traditional enumeration will coerce into an int. But to convert from an int into a traditional enumeration value would require casting. In modern code, we prefer to add the class keyword to an enumeration. Now, values must be fully qualified when they are used. Also, they no longer coerce with int in either direction. One advantage of the modern method is that you can now have a forward declaration of an enumeration type, the same way that you organize your software using forward declaration of global functions. C++11 lets you choose the underlying type of an enumeration. This underlying type defaults to int when it's omitted.